Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by collecting your materials and making a quick sketch. You should use a 3 or an 18x24 poster board. Once ready, draw a light pencil grid to divide space. Place the headline at the top and a large central image where eyes land first, because composition guides attention. Make sure to leave room for 3 short tips and any logos. Once sketched, refine shapes and erase stray marks, so your painted lines will be clean and confident before you add color. Now create the central image and supporting icons. Pick one clear symbol like a light bulb or house to represent energy saving, and sketch it larger than other elements so it dominates. Once done, add simple icons, switches, thermostats, power strips, near each tip to make meaning immediate. Use dark outlines and bright fills to ensure visibility from a distance, and balance color temperature so no area overwhelms another. Make sure spacing is even, because clear negative space keeps the message readable. Finish by painting or inking the headline, tips, and borders. Start with the headline in a bold color and large lettering, then fill icons and subtext using only 2 to 3 coordinated colors for clarity. Once dry, outline in dark ink to boost legibility. Afterward, step back and view from 6 to 10 feet to confirm readability and correct spacing or spelling mistakes. If colors bleed or smudge, let dry and touch up with white paint. This troubleshooting trick fixes most small errors.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.